Hi, I'm Eleanor from MotorMatters with Levtrade and Burnshield. The domestic motorist first aid kit has been designed with weight and space in mind, that it's small and compact and can fit in your car without compromising on any necessities that you may need for any situation that you may encounter while you're driving around on the road. The domestic motorist kit has been specially designed to be lightweight and compact, so it fits beautifully under the passenger seat of the car. Now, you've unfortunately encountered an emergency on the road, so open it up very quickly, and the first thing I'm going to do is grab a glove, because you never know what I could find, and obviously it's important to be hygienic in the situation. So there, I've got a glove. Now, the next thing, I'll grab a cleansing wipe, and I just open it up, and I can treat, of course, a cut or anything of that type, and that's very important. Then, of course, you've got the bandages, you've got the gauze, you've got all of those features that you've got there ready for action, for covering or treating any cuts, scrapes, wounds, or anything of that sort. Ready for action for any emergency you may find out on the road.
Remember, while a first aid kit can be helpful for initial care, it's important to seek professional medical attention for more serious injuries or if you're unsure about the severity of an injury. If you're driving and encounter a significant medical emergency, pull over safely and call emergency services immediately.